Good morning. These are all the spices I am using for cooking. I bring them down so I know when they're gonna expire. So mostly I use them all. The tacos. This is the dash. Mrs. Dash, the tacos. We have the garlic salt, fried garlic. I love garlic. Spiceberg. I think that is cinnamon. Coriander. Most of all, I always use garlic powder. This is ground ginger, garlic salt, onion powder. All of these, I use them for cooking.